Hello, this is an unpacking video. The manufacturer number is 2273010. It's made by Umarex. It's your H&K Replica Soft Air P30. I'm going to take it out with you so you can see what it looks like. I have this already pre-packaged. Put everything on the back here. Comes with your clip, a starter kit of pellet BBs for your air pistol. Comes with your instruction manual. Open that up here. Comes with information about Umarex and also your registration card. I'll hold this up. Just kind of moving it around here. It has P30 down here on the grip for you, both sides, up top here as well. It's light. So again, it's an H&K Replica Soft Air Pistol P30 and it's made by Umarex.